In the vast expanse of the ocean, there swam a lone fish named Luna. She shimmered with iridescent scales.
In this video, I am going to show how to make like this animation video only using artificial intelligence. I divided this video into 4 steps. Number 1 is getting the story. Number 2 is getting the photos related to the story. Number 3 is giving voice to the story. And number 4 is editing the video. To get the story, I used ChatGPT, which is a free source artificial intelligence model. In ChatGPT, I asked to write a short story about a lone fish. After that, ChatGPT generated the short story about that lone fish. Okay, now our story is ready. Now we want to get some photos related to the story. To that, I asked ChatGPT to divide the story for get some related photos to it. To get related photos to the story, I use Lexica Art, which is an artificial intelligence photo generator. In ChatGPT, I copied those divided sentences and pasted those sentences in Lexica to generate related photos to the story. Like this, I copied the sentences in ChatGPT and pasted all the related sentences in Lexica. After the generate, I download all the pictures for the story. Now our story and story-related photos are ready. Now it's time to edit the story. To edit the story, I used CapCut, which is a free video editing software. In CapCut, I added related photos to edit the story. After that, I copied the story from ChatGPT and pasted that story in CapCut. Okay, now we need to convert that pasted text into speech using CapCut. Now our story is ready, but we need to add some styles and effects to the video for make our video beautiful. To that, I used 3D Zoom Pro style to all my photos. Now I need to add an effect to the video. To that, I used this effect to my video. Now we need to add some captions to the story to make the story interesting. In CapCut, I used Auto Caption tool to generate captions for the story. Okay, finally, our video is ready. Thanks for watching the video. See you in next video. Bye.